Hi, my name is Kyle Steen. I'm a maintenance technician here at the Emerson Resort Spa. I grew up here, right down the road actually. Around 11 years ago, there was a job opening. I was lucky enough to get it. At first when I started here, I couldn't even run a screw gun, to tell you the truth, but after a while I became very capable, and I think that's because of all the stuff I've learned here at the Emerson. Growing up, whenever there was a problem at my house, my mother or father would always have to call the guy, whether it be an electrician, plumber. Now working here, I'm the guy people call. So at first it was a little intimidating because there's a lot to learn, but after a while I realized that I could actually fix stuff. Troubleshooting has become my number one thing that I love to do here. I love to think through a problem, and I love to finish the job and make sure that everything's how it should be. I really appreciate working at the Emerson. Not only did it give me the skills that I need to succeed in my job, but it also gave me these skills to be more confident as a person. Come experience the Emerson. Hopefully nothing goes wrong with your stay here, but if it does, I'm here to help you out.